The shed.
I'm going hooked.
The shed where the lawnmower
I'm
is.
going hooked. Okay, go. I can't. I'm going hooked. He went in there one time.
You tell me when he goes in there. That's a rule. Tell him that's a rule.
I'm going to hooked. I'm going to hooked. How about you kick the ball? I'm going to hut.
Wanna go in the hutch?
No hooked.
The hut?
A hook. And hook. A hook. Daddy, I'm going hook. Ha ha. There's a gate back there, so you can't go nowhere. I know with this game we're going all in the house.
Okay. What game is it?
Belle.
It's a fun game.
After when I'm done with Belle, Beauty and the Beast, and Cinderella, then we're going in the house.
Okay. Is that a rule?
That's not for a long time. It's okay if you tell him that, because he will be so happy.
Jacob will be so happy if you tell him that. How come?
Because he likes to be alone.
Does he?
That's a secret. Never tell him that. He loves to be outside because of that blue slide, his favorite color. And what he always does, he always goes on the one with the swing with the feet. And why? Because it's easier for him to get on there instead of the one without the feet. Because look at, see, look at over there. See, the one with the feet is lower because his butt is right there by the seat, so he can sit down easy on it.
Jake, you're gonna fall off backwards. Don't do that. Don't do that.
You're gonna fall off and bump your head and break it open.
That's cement down there that you'll hit. Yeah, you'll fall off and get an owie.
Look at him. Watch. Watch this.
You play that good.
Just click on. Watch. Wait.
You play that good. You must have practiced, huh?
Watch.
You be a good girl and stop monkeying around. You're being too rowdy. Stop being rowdy. Follow the rules.
Yeah, follow your plan. Watch this.